one is Kipling Kala. Kipling Kala Mini is a very popular bag. It's a Midnight Frost. This color, Midnight Frost po siya. And look at the size of it. Wala pong laman po muna to siya. Walang laman. And it has a slight pocket here outside para sa mga, you know, very easy access mong things that you can get easily. Now, this is the strap. Why I love this bag, because I love the color of lavender, purpley, and midnight frost. This parang purple kasi siya. And I love this one is the strap. The strap is very wide. Pwede mo ma-remove to and you can put it into your another bag. So you can use it as an extra exchangeable strap. Kasi ang ganda po niya. Tapos secure yung mo, yung bag mo or yung gamit mo. Now, if wala po siyang laman, ganito po siya. So if we put in something, maganda po siya tingnan. Para siyang long champ na mga bags. Ganun. Ito yung interior side niya, interior lining. It has a zipper pocket here for your valuable that you can secure. And the other side has the 1, 2, 3, 4 slide pocket. Yan. At ang ganda nung lining niya kasi hindi mabilis madumihan. And yan. At ang ganda nung lining niya kasi hindi mabilis madumihan. And very nice. Ayan. Ganyan po siya ang laman. So it has plenty of room for you for your daily stuff or daily routine na mga valuables na kailangan mong dalhin everyday. And whatever you, lightweight kasi siya, so whatever you put in, yun lang po yung weight nitong bag. So ayan, let's see how we can make a shape of this bag. I put notebooks here. I got 4 books, 4 books. Ilalagay ko siya dito to have a weight or form or alaman. So ayan, hindi ko pa nilagay. Ayan, so ganyan siya po pag down dito sa side, which is very nice kasi hindi naman intact yung nilagay mo. So whatever you put in, yun siya mag-shape niya. Para siyang ganun. Ayan. Ayan. Tapos what I love with this one, kasi na-hand carry ko siya ng ganito. Tapos it has the strap na kaganyan. So it's so classy. Napaka elegant siya tingnan. And the color and the eye-catching siya. Ayan. Very nice. Importante sa akin kasi magganito. Tapos, kung gusto ko siyang i-sling bag, sling ko siya ng ganito. Kasi ako, depende kasi sa way kung paano ka magdala ng bag. It's the way who you are or the way it reflects kung paano mo dalhin yung bag mo. So ako, ganito ako lagi. It's the way you carry it, the way you wanted to have it or you wanted to wear it. So ganun. Ayan. Ganda pa rin niya. So ayan, ganyan siya. Notebook lang pong laman yan. Notebook pa lang pong laman yan. May phone, may wallets, pwede. Ayan. So it's shaping the bag, whatever you put in here. Actually, maganda din po. Kumakasya din po. Maganda din tong lagyan ng laptop kasi kumasya din po dito yung MacBook Pro ko. Intact po siya. So it's shaping the bag. It's shaped here like that. Pag nakdala mo yung MacBook mo, nag-shape yung bag mo. And then what you can do, kasi keep siya ako sa akin kasi gusto ko yung parang bum bag or body bag na nararamdaman ko na hapit sa akin yung bag ko. So, yung maganda din tong lagyan ng laptop kasi kumasya din po dito yung MacBook Pro ko. Intact po siya. So, it's shaped in the bag. It's shaped here, like that. Pag nakdala mo yung MacBook mo, nag-shape yung bag mo. Or, and then, what you can do, kasi keep siya ako sa akin kasi gusto ko yung parang bum bag or body bag na nararamdaman ko na hapit sa akin yung bag ko. So, you have, if you want to loosen it, loosen mo lang yung strap. Ayan. So, ayan. It goes down. Pwede siyang pang travel. As in, sobrang handy. Nakaka-pretty ba? Ayan. I love this. Best seller ko din to. Ang Kala Mini. Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda niya.